Is your Epson ET-3700 not printing blank pages, or simply ignoring your print command? Don't replace the printer yet. Try these simple checks first. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Print Smart Help for more easy-to-follow printer setup and troubleshooting videos. If you need additional help during the setup, simply call the support number shown on your screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Step 1. Check the basics. First, make sure there is paper loaded correctly and check the printer's LCD for any error message. Also check the ink tanks. If the ink is at or below the lower line, refill it before running printhead maintenance. Step 2. Run a nozzle check. First, make sure the printer is turned on. On the printer's control panel, press the Home button. Use the arrow buttons to select Maintenance. Press OK. Select Printhead Nozzle Check. Press OK. Load a few sheets of plain paper if prompted. Press the Start button to print the nozzle check pattern. Look at the printed pattern carefully. If the lines are complete and clear, the printhead is working normally. If you see gaps, broken lines, or very faint sections, the printhead nozzles may be clogged. In that case, move to the next step and run printhead cleaning. Step 3. Clean the printhead. If the nozzle check pattern has gaps, broken lines, or missing sections, clean the printhead. Press the Home button on the printer. Use the arrow buttons to select Maintenance. Press OK. Select Printhead Cleaning. Press OK. Read the message on the screen and press Start to begin cleaning. Wait until the cleaning process finishes. Do not turn off the printer during cleaning. When it's finished, select Nozzle Check and print the pattern again. Compare the new pattern with the previous one. If the lines are still broken, you can repeat the cleaning up to 3 times. If there is still little or no improvement, stop cleaning and turn the printer off. Wait at least 12 hours before trying again. Step 4. If the printer prints, a nozzle check, but not your document. That usually points toward the computer, print queue, driver, cable, or network connection, rather than the printer's print mechanism. Cancel stuck print jobs and send the document again. For Wi-Fi printing, check that the printer is connected to your network. Restarting the router and computer can also help when the wireless connection has stopped working. If the nozzle check itself won't print, check the LCD for errors and resolve those first. If the printer still cannot print its own test pattern after these steps, the issue may require Epson service. Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.